Hello and welcome back to Sarah Reacts. This is season 1, episode 5 of The Walking Dead, called Wildfire. Now, I was a complete mess after the last episode. I had to lie down, regroup. It's terrible. But I have a box of tissues with me this time, just in case, because I hate crying, but I am an easy crier. So, if it's going to be sad, it's going to be sad. But I can't believe someone died so soon. Ugh. What do I expect? You know, it is a apocalypse type TV show, end of the world, zombies around. Of course, we're going to lose some favourite characters. That's just how stuff goes, isn't it? I also have my chunky seal in case I'm sad again, because I just need somewhere to squeeze and be sad. Okay, so let's get.
You lost me.
You did.
Watch yourself. Take care of your boy. I'll try again tomorrow at dawn.
I'm still not over it. It's been a week and I'm still not over it. How long has she been with him? She's just not ready yet.
Walker got it. Walker been jail.
Oh no.
Okay.
He's just in denial, isn't he?
I'm okay.
How long does it take for somebody to turn into a zombie in this universe? Well, you didn't.
I never could.
Yeah.
Nice.
Did she not even get a chance to give her that necklace? Yeah, she didn't even get a chance to give it to her. No, I'm not gonna cry. No. Oh wow, that's her husband. He has been eaten to fuck. Oh, good riddance. He was a horrible person. About putting him out of his misery anymore, is it? She's changing, isn't she? Yeah, look at those eyes. For a second there I thought she was still alive, and then I thought, no, that's stupid, because she clearly died. Look, she's a zombie. Get away from her. Get the fuck away from her. It's not her anymore. Oh, she did it herself. Oh.
Losses would have been a lot worse.
Exactly.
Maybe the entire camp.
You only had 4 bullets. It's so much more worse to be alive in turn than to die in turn.
Fewer people. That makes us weaker.
It's not his fault.
It's not about what you
Yeah, I was going to say, it's not about, you know, it's inevitable, isn't it?
talk some sense in a rig.
I need you to leave her alone.
You back me up. Look, I want to.
Because he wants your family all to himself.
I don't see it. If it was your family, you'd feel differently.
That's what he thinks it is, his family. Is he thinking about taking Rick out? Yeah, I knew it. He's thinking about taking him out because he wants his family. Oh. Don't be that guy. I hope a zombie comes behind you. I know you're turning into a zombie anyway. Ooh. Yeah, he saw you. He saw what he saw. Has no one ever watched a horror movie? You don't split up.
Not your call.
It's Jim's call. Jim's decision. See, I don't know. I don't feel like I know Jim enough for this type of scene to be to make me sob like the last episode did. What's this?
Jenna here.
What is this? Is this the CDC?
I finally got feeling very off. Kilter these days.
No, that's not really surprising, is it? Whoever you are. So his name was like Jenna or Kenna or something like that. He's doing experiments on like zombie tissue. Me! It's me! To like the last CDC member. Oh, can he see if there's somebody wandering around from in there? Hey! Open, open, open! Someone open the doors! Come on! Let them in! Let them in! Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh! Okay, you did it. Now go for running. Running, running. Oh, okay. End of the episode. Right, okay. That was season 1, episode 5 of The Walking Dead. I had a little bit of a glitch there in the middle. That would have been edited out for my full length people, unfortunately. Apparently my computer decided to just be weird for a minute, but it's fine, it's fine, it's working now. But yeah, I mean, luckily I didn't need my tissues. Everything's fine. No crying this time. All perfectly fine. But it looks like we have a new character. I don't know how long he'll be staying around for, but who knows with this show. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what the end goal would be, because everywhere they go has got to run out of food eventually, stuff like that. It would probably be better to find somewhere that you can cultivate food, you know, get some cattle, get a garden going, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm wondering, because if that guy works at the CDC, why did he touch a corrosive chemical? Like, did he not know that that was there? I mean, come on, come on. Lab safety is like the basic thing they teach you. I don't know. But. Anyway, so full length and early access is available on patreon.com/SharryReacts, and I will see you next time.